In this video, let us discuss about the concept of pair of tangents. So, if we have an ellipse and from a point outside of ellipse, we want to draw two tangents to the ellipse. So, here we have a point P having coordinates x1, y1, and these are the two tangents that we have drawn. Say they are written as PA and PB. Then the joint equation of pair of tangents is given by t square is equals to s1, where s is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1. S1 is x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1, and t is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1. So these are the values of s, s1 and t. So if we put in the values in this equation, we get the joint equation of pair of tangents. So this equation is same in case of parabola, circles and hyperbola. So let us now discuss the next concept, which is the concept of chord with a given midpoint. So if suppose we have an ellipse and there is a chord in this manner whose midpoint is given to us. So let us say this point is P and it has coordinates x1, y1, and this chord is bisected by the point P. Then the equation of this chord can be given by, so we can write here the equation chord bisected at the point P x1, y1 is given by T equals to S1. Now this result is also applicable in case of circles, parabola and hyperbola. Now here T and S1 are the same as we had in the previous case. So let us again discuss about them. So T is basically x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1, and S1 is x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1. So this is about the chord whose midpoint is given to us. Now let us discuss a question based on this concept. It says, find the locus of the midpoint of the focal chords of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So let us begin with the solution. Let P, H, K be the midpoint of the chord. So the equation of the chord can be written as T equals to S1, and hence we get x into h by a square plus y into k by b square minus 1 is equal to h square by a square plus k square by b square minus 1. So from here minus 1 we can cancel out from both sides, and since we want this chord to be the focal chord, we can do the following. Since this chord is a focal chord AE comma 0 or minus AE comma 0, will satisfy the equation. So if this chord passes through the point A comma 0, if it passes through A comma 0, we can write AE into H by A square plus 0 is equal to H square by A square plus K square by B square. So we can cancel out A from the numerator and denominator, and in the last step we will replace H by X and K by Y to give us EX by A is equals to X square by A square plus Y square by B square. So this is the required equation. Now if the chord passes through minus A comma 0, we can write minus E into X by A is equal to X square by A square plus Y square by B square. So these are the two answers to this question, students. So that is all that we have in this video, students.